Good morning! Today, we are at Panti Jompo Senjarawi on Jalan Jeruk, Bandung. The journey to Panti Jompo Senjarawi began at 8 a.m. And upon arrival, the students prepare for a special chapel session.
Selamat pagi semuanya, apa kabar? Sebab itu janganlah kamu khawatir akan hari besok, karena hari besok mempunyai kesusahannya sendiri. Kesusahan sehari cukuplah untuk sehari.
After the chapel, the students enthusiastically took part in various activities. They helped clean the premises, spent quality time with the residents, and assisted in transporting those in wheelchairs. This act of kindness not only provided practical help, but also brought joy and a sense of connection to the residents.
So the purpose of this ministry field trip is for the students to bless the community of this retirement home, Panti Jompo Senjarawi. And we also would like to cultivate the values that are biblical. As our mission statement goes, we would like to provide a Christ-centered educational environment. And so one of the two of the values that we want to cultivate in students to do this ministry field trip is compassion and also servanthood, where they get to serve the community here while also showing compassion for the residents who are living here. And so in the 8th grade students, after the ministry field trip, they usually found on a sense of caring for others. They're more considerate for other people, and they're actually closer to their family members, especially their grandparents. So when we hear their stories to us, when the residents tell us their stories here, they usually find a sense of gratitude that we are able to be here to serve them, to talk to them, to spend time with them, especially since a lot of them the students remind them of their grandchildren, and so they think of them as their own grandchildren. And so when they have a conversation with them, there's this closeness and there's the relationship that is actually starting to be built. And actually, from their stories also, we can hear that they're actually feel sad sometimes before we came here, because some of them are left behind by their families. Some of them don't even have families at all. So when we come in here and we spend time with them, they actually feel blessed. They feel a connection with somebody that they're supposed to have, but they actually didn't. So I think that it has become a blessing for the community here, but also for our students and teachers.
This field trip is a beautiful demonstration of CBC's mission to cultivate compassionate hearts in its students, while fostering a spirit of service and empathy. Through activities like this, students are reminded of the importance of community engagement and the joy of giving back.